po ba sa ensayo?
Sana hindi na nangyari na lang sa umero sa practice kasi sakit sa katawan eh. 2 days ako nakahiga sa kama. But again, I just have to give credit to my players. No? Katulad nga na sinabi ni Ian, sinasabi ko sa kanila, they just have to believe. No? They just have to believe na we can battle with this strong teams, top teams, seasoned team. No? Yun lang ang gusto namin makita. No? But again, a lot of things to still work on, especially on the defensive end. Marami pa kaming lapses. Again, but for us, we really need this win. Napaka-importante ng panalo na ito para sa amin. I hope ito yung inaantay namin na momentum kasi victory yung kalaban namin eh. We play Rain Shine and back-to-back we play Ginebra. Diba? So medyo napaka-importante yung laro nito sa amin. Again, credit to my players. They responded really well. They practiced really hard the whole week. No? We watched the videos together. No? Medyo boring. No? Naniwala sila and ginawa nila kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin for this season.